All right, I think I need a haircut. You know, I'm not gonna pay $60 to get my haircut because I have like 2 strands of hair. So I was like, yeah, I could totally do this at home. Let me just YouTube a video and figure it out. So I just watched a video from Brad Mondo on like the butterfly cut, and I have super thin hair. So is this gonna work for me? I don't know, but we're gonna try it out because I'm a risk taker. If anything, it's just gonna be a funny video on how I fucked up my hair. I have 30 minutes to get this done. All right, so I got my supplies, which is 2 hair ties and a pair of scissors. These are not hair cutting scissors, but this is all I got, so this is what we're working with. First step is to part your hair at your apex. And your apex is at the top of your head, so somewhere here. And then he says to go behind the ear. I can't see anything. This is as far back as I'm gonna go because this is a lot of hair for me, okay? I don't have that much hair, so I'm a little worried about cutting all this off. To keep it really flat, so that's why it helps when the hair is wet. And we wanna tie it right in between our eyebrows and a little bit low on the forehead. All right, so the next step is to tie the rest of your hair literally like all the way up here. And now comes the fun part where I get to chop my hair and just hope for the best. That you're supposed to cut at the angle, so like don't cut like this, like cut like this. Because he does say you have to cut off enough so that it actually looks like you're getting layers. Otherwise, it's not gonna look like you did anything. So maybe I'll just cut this. Let's pray. So he's saying to cut the same amount on the top section, also angled forward. Okay, yeah, so just about like right here, cut off. This seems like a lot more than the other strand. I think I cut a little too much in the back there. Must say though, my hair feels a lot healthier on the edges, so I ain't mad at it, but let's take this down. Okay, I think it's cute. Wait, hold on. Look, bangs, length. And my hair feels so much healthier. Oh, look, is it even? Oh, it's pretty even too, look at that. So this is what this side looks like. Cause I know at the end of the video, he says you can like blend it out a little bit more. So I feel like this strand maybe. I also don't really mind it like this because I don't want to thin it out too much since it's already fine. Oh, look at that. Look at all that volume. Girl, I am ready for the summertime. Okay, this hairstyle is Lil Piva approved. So in case anybody's interested, I use this Pacifica Ginger Root 10-in-1 hair volumizer, magical hair boost for all hair types. All right, and since my hair is really fine and I don't have much texture, I'm gonna finish it off with this dry finish texture spray. It's by 11, it's an Australian brand. Oh my God, it all went in my mouth. The thing with that spray is like once you spray that, you can't really brush your hair anymore. So make sure you spray it when you're like ready. I am literally the laziest person when it comes down to doing my hair. So how does this look? I don't know, pretty much exactly the same. It looks like I didn't even do anything to it. But that's all we got time for today, folks. And patience.